Today we're going to be laying this Endurastone granite. These ones here are the silver options. They come in a 600 by 400 and a 400 by 400. But first, we need to prep the area. So we need to make sure that we've got our road base down, compacted, and our coarse bedding sand. Then we're going to go through and level off the area, ready for these pavers to go down. So now that we've selected our paver, the next step is to get the site ready to put the pavers down. So what we need to do is, we've got our road base that we've put down between 70 and 100 mil, and we've compacted that through. On top of that road base, we've got this bedding sand. This is a coarse bedding sand. After we've put that down, we need to compact that at about 25 to 30 mil. And that's going to allow for a good base under our pavers. After we've got that bedding sand down, we need to run a screed or a level over the area. And that will ensure for a nice even finish. So here we have the Endurastone. Now these ones here are the silver granites. These are 600 by 400. So meaning they're that little bit longer, the preparation in the site is really key to make sure that you've got it nice and level so that these go down flat and they line up with their neighbour. Using the rubber mallet, we just want to make sure that we've got some nice gaps through here so that when we brush our fine sand through, it goes through and fills in these mortar gaps and ties the whole product in together nicely. Another thing to consider when paving an area is your edge restraints. Now what we have here is we're using our retaining wool that we put up earlier as our edge restraint. But if we didn't have this here, another option is to mortar the outside pavers. That basically is going to stop these pavers from shifting and moving and creating a bigger gap in your paved area. If you didn't want to mortar around the edge of your paved area, what you can do is you can put an edge beam in, and that will act the same as this wall or mortar and just stop these pavers from moving. Now that we've finished paving our area, we're going to get some fine builder's sand and we're going to fill these gaps in. Basically what that does is it ties all of these blocks in together and creates one strong unit. By sweeping the sand into the gaps, this helps prevent any movement between the pavers.